Dad Riffs, and today we're going to be working on the verse for Roundabout. Alright, starting off with this wicked bass line. I know we're not playing the bass, but you might as well learn it because it's really cool. So, it's very fast and aggressive. He plays with a pick. So it starts off with the open E, then you got two muted notes, and then right here on the second fret, and then the third fret, a hammer-on the A string on the second fret, and then back to the open A, and then a hammer-on the second fret of the D string. So real slow, it sounds like this. And then there's this really cool little fill. I'm not exactly sure what it is because I think the bass continues to play the bass line, but then the guitar comes in. It does something like this, like a pull off right here. And then you got the second fret on the A, back to the D string. So it's like, and then you pull off on the second fret of the A string, and then back to the, so it's like, I think it's something like that. The really cool part is the guitar is doing harmonics for this verse. So you got the bottom three strings, and then you got the seventh fret, and it's these three. So you're skipping the E string, so you got D, G, B. And then the same with this fret, the fifth fret. So it goes like this. I believe, it's what it sounds like. On the second verse, it sounds like the same exact thing you just heard, but not harmonics. And so he goes down here to this E minor chord, and you're only hitting the D string down, so you're skipping the A and the E string up here. So it goes minor, and then you scoot that minor up a whole step, so it goes, and then you go to major right here, and then back down. So it goes, is what it sounds like. Right before the chorus, it's got this weird walk down. So it's a B minor. And you might as well just keep your finger right here because you're going to be doing the three chords in a row with these three notes. So it goes, and then you just bar the whole thing. And then walk this down to here while keeping these three. Very cool little walk down. And then it ends on this very bizarre chord. It's like you want to do an F major, but it's got a G note involved, and you mute the A string. So it sounds like this. It's a very strange chord. I believe it's called a G11. But yes, anyways, it's an interesting verse. Very cool. We'll get to the chorus next week. Good luck, son. Good luck.